I'm Gabriel P. Bersamina, manager from various family business of ours. What I like is it systematizes the leadership that they are training to their students or dun sa umaattend sa kanila. Yung mga sistema na yon, it is all about the traits of leadership because leadership stems from the leader itself. Pag yung leader, walang leadership, hindi siya matawag na leader. By teaching yung mga umattend sa kanilang workshop, the leadership traits, yung mga aspirants na leaders ay magkakaroon ng gist, magkakaroon ng glimpse how a leader looks like. Kaya tutulungan ako na in leadership sa labas ng workshop. I would recommend because kasama kasi dun yung Filipino culture. Although pamilya na ang common Filipino, they are not aware. Familiar kasi nagagawa nila ito araw-araw, pero hindi sila aware na nagagawa nila ito araw-araw. So, there are traits na kasama naman sa Filipino culture, but it's just that kailangan natin yung iba pang trait to collaborate with the trait of a leader na nasa kultura na natin so that we can have a rich culture of leadership dito sa bansa natin in the future.